I've been looking for the easy way to stream wirelessly from my computer to the monitor, because my computer usually connected to these big screens by using HDMI cable. But right now I have this super cool option how to avoid this. This is HDMI transmitter and receiver with 4K decoding. Imagine 4K, and right out of the box it's so compact. So what we have here transmitter, which looks like this. Pretty cool design. We have receiver, we have cable Type-C to USB, one more Type-C to USB, and micro and mini HDMI adapters. So it works basically with everything. And let me show how it works. I'm gonna connect transmitter to my laptop and receiver to my monitor. Let me show you how it works. I plug the transmitter into my laptop and the receiver into my monitor, like this. Also, I connect both of them to electricity by using these Type-C USB cables. I press RX button for 7 seconds and TX button also for 7 seconds. And once you pair them, then it's gonna share the screen automatically every time you connect it. As you see, everything works perfectly. Next, I tested it on my living room TV. The signal is super stable, and it's all because of 2.4 and 5G dual support. So I can mirror the Netflix, Prime Video, and even presentations in live stream. It also supports long distance transmission up to 160 feet. And it's surprisingly universal. I've tried it with my PC, laptop, and even TV box and camera. You can use it for meetings, movie nights, teaching, or weddings. Basically, anytime you want to ditch the cables, but keep the quality. So, if you want to know fools plug-and-play way to stream your content wirelessly in a 4K decoding and full sound, this little wireless HDMI kit might be exactly what you need. Buy, try, and like.